guys, I'm Louis. Today we're gonna show you something different. So the main focus on this car is to have something that is very fun and engaging to drive while being super practical. Despite being a modest car, the Civic is popular as a platform for modification and customization by the enthusiast community. Start with the 4th generation to now the 10th generation of Civic Honda. Lots of people are obsessed about the modification and customization of Civic, as its ready parts interchangeability allows easy engine swaps and many other upgrades. The one behind me has updated an entire power system to has more horsepower. Besides that, Civic owner usually do the mods on their wheels, lower the center of gravity, making the car more stable by adding a splitter in the exhaust parts, rear wings and all the stuff to make the Civic unique and breathtaking. So after all these badass modifications, there is a must-go mod on replacing the OEM bulbs, which were generally halogen bulbs. As we know, headlights as the safety guard while driving at night. People might wondering what is the best lighting solution for Civic 10th and how to mount them by themselves. Right, today we're gonna show you how to mount these LED headlights into Civic 10th. The reason why we choose LED headlight with a fan as a lighting solution for Civic 10th is because first, they're an aesthetics upgrade from any other kind of headlights. More importantly, it is more stable than HID and halogen bulbs, as a cooling system effectively extends the product life over 40,000 hours. Sufficient light output and comfortable color temperature enable you and your car to increase visibility when driving at night. Okay, no more fancy words. Let's see how to install these bad boys. So let's pop the engine hood. For Civic 10th, the installation is relatively easy than previous model of Civic because you don't need to remove these tips and these bolts. All you need to do is go behind the housing and find out the headlight housing. Before you take them out, make sure you already disconnected those harnesses. All you need to do is that you can see the clip right there and press it down and your harness will come off easily and twist the old bulb out. It's that simple. And now we got this H11 LED headlight for Civic 10th low beam headlight. You just need to reverse the previous process and connect these two connectors and you're good to go. Before you hit the road, make sure the LED is working properly. But sometimes there might be a problem of headlights failure or unstable flashing. Under that case, you might need an LED decoder to stabilize the light power. But we recommend you to choose a pair of LED bulbs with higher power and brightness to avoid these kind of problems. Okay, hope this video helped you to make a decision on what lights you should get and how you install it. It can be confusing when you're reading online, so that's why we're making this video. So yeah, if you have any questions, concern, feel free to leave a comment. This is Louis, see you next time.